Multiply 26 by 17.5 using long multiplication. Since the order of the factors does not change the product, write 17.5 on top and 26 on the bottom to use fewer partial products. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Put 0 in this column and carry 3. 6 times 7 plus the carried 3 is 45. Put 5 in this column and carry 4. 6 times 1 plus the carried 4 is 10. The first partial product is 1050. Now use the next digit to the left, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 5 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 7 plus the carried 1 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 3. The second partial product is 3500. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 5 is 5. In the thousands column, 1 plus 3 is 4. The product of the whole numbers is 4550. Count the highlighted digit after each decimal point. The factors have one decimal place altogether, so the product needs one decimal place. Place the decimal point one place from the right. 4550 becomes 455.0. That is simply 455. So 26 times 17.5 is 455.